Hi all you Legendary Jewels fans. This is number 9 in the Facebook sharing contest. This is a shorter key version of the Key of Desire that had the love flag here. This one is called Key to Eternity. It is also with the light Colorado topaz. But if you're wanting something not quite so large, this is your answer. Key to Eternity is on an 18-inch chain and has also has a little heart, open heart at the clasp. This will be the last key in the contest. Tomorrow I'll post the actual princess key. That's the key that some lucky Legendary Jewels fan will win. Remember, express yourself.